This is our free time poster.
I like it. These are great photos.
Yes, they are.
Who's this?
This is my brother. His name's Jamie.
Is he doing judo?
Yes, he is. He loves judo.
Can you do judo?
Yes, I can.
Is this your brother and sister? No, it isn't. These are my friends, Tom and Katie.
What are they doing?
They're playing chess. Can you play chess?
No, I can't. But I can play marbles. Look, this is a baseball bat.
Oh, yes. There's a ball too.
My favourite sport is baseball.
I like baseball too, but my favourite sport is badminton.